Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my grappling hook. So someone requested it and this is what I came up with. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing, okay? So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to make a boat base. So first I'm going to be folding a watermelon base. So first you want to fold it in half like this, and then you want to fold it in half again like so, and then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down like so, and then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So you want to turn it around, and then you want to open up this pocket right here, then fold that down. Okay, then you want to bring this point right here right up to this edge right here. So you want to fold this whole thing in half and make sure it lines up with the middle, okay, the center line. Okay, make a crease right there. And then you're going to sink this triangle inside, okay? So unfold, then you want to open up the whole area right here, which is the whole model, whole paper. And then you see that smaller square in the middle? You want to fold up all the crease line on the side. Okay, like this. Then you want to fold down on the center, okay? So you see the crease line right here, so you want to follow up the crease line and kind of fold that whole piece down, okay, like so. So it should look like this. And now you want to take, so there's two of these pieces on each side, so you want to bring one of the piece right here, then you want to move it up to the other side. So there's one on one side and there's three on the other, okay? And now you want to fold this whole thing in half, okay? So right here, valley folded. I don't think it matters which side, you know, which side is it on, but it should work on both sides if I'm correct. Okay, so either side. And now you want to take two of these pieces right here and fold it right up. If not, just follow mine, okay? Make sure everything is correct. Okay, take two of these layers up and fold that up like so. Okay, so slant here, slant there, make sure it's on the right side. And now you want to take that front piece right here and shift and move it off to the side. So you want to take that out and move it off to the side. Like so. Okay, so if you move it here, there's a little space right there where you can put that piece in. Okay, so it should look like this now. And then you want to take this this other piece right here and fold that piece right down. Okay, and if you look, so let's look on this side. There's a slant piece right here, and there's a smaller piece right here. And if you look on the other side, it's all flat. So turn to this side where it has the little corner and the slant right here. You want to fold this in half. Okay, so bring this edge and match it up with the bottom edge. Okay, same thing here. So look for the slant on the inside, not the flat side. And kind of want to fold them in half, okay? So fold this one in half and fold the other one in half. And spread them apart. And now you see this slant right here, this edge, you want to fold it right up to this bottom edge here, okay? So these are going to be the little hooks. Same thing here. So you see the slant right here, you want to fold it right up to this edge here. And same thing on this side. So you see this edge, fold it up to this edge here, okay, on the inside. And now you see this longer piece on the bottom. So you want to fold it in half about 2 times, okay? So look for the slant right here on the inside. There's a flat side right here. Fold this in half. And again, fold it in half, okay? Look for the slant. And the flat side on the front. Okay, and now you're going to make the ring. Okay, so fold the tip of it right up to that second corner right there. And fold and make it into a ring right here. And when you tie a string around it, tie it around the main pole and not the ring, okay? So tie around here. And then you're going to curve down the little hooks and shape them up. And twist this down and curve them down. And open up the little side corners as well. Okay, and here is my grappling hook. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.